Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook. Now, first thing you need to do is go to the menu on your Facebook account. And once you're there, you may scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. And once you're in the Settings and Privacy, go to Settings. And once you're in the Profile Settings page, you may click on Accounts Center. Once you're in the Account Center, you can click on the Profiles. And you can see that there are existing Instagram account that is connected in this Facebook account. So you may click on Add Accounts. And you will confirm you will add this Instagram account and click Add. And it has been successfully added. Another thing we can do for this is to click on Accounts on the Account Center and click on the Add Accounts button. By doing this, you will be directed to the Instagram login page. You can type in your username here and password, and after that, your account will be connected to the Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.